We're ordering the labubu burger at 3 a.m. Which, guys, never order the labubu burger at 3 a.m. Really scary video. I'm gonna warn you. Anyway, let's go. Those are the angry customers trying to find McDonald's, but it's literally right here. Warning! Don't get the labubu Happy Meal at 3 a.m.
I couldn't make a meow meow. I couldn't make a meow.
Oh, this. Oh my god! I'm falling! Somebody! The labubu boy took me to the fuck? Where am I? Oh my god! Labubu! This labubu took me into the ocean. This is why you should never get the labubu burger. God, never get the labubu burger. Oh my god, where am I? Guys, this is why you never get the labubu burger. Ew! Kinda regret getting the burger.
You stop. I was just a kid.
Guys, I kind of regret getting the labubu Happy Meal. Oh my god. Oh my god. Labubu was trying. The labubu's trying to kill us, guys. I think we need to run. Run the hell out of here. Guys, I don't know how to get back. Guys, don't order the labubu Happy Meal at 3 a.m. Or else you'll be taken to the vents. Oh my god. This is scary. Oh my god. I regret buying the labubu Happy Meal in Animal. I regret getting the labubu Happy Meal in Animal Company at 3 a.m. Oh my god. I see someone. I just have to go to vents just to get a singular Happy Meal.
I want that.
Just a Happy Meal. Why the fuck do I need to go to vents? For just something that when you get, it just goes through the systems and then just disappears for good. Oh my god. Oh no. The pipes.
You got the wrong. No.
Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Guys, I found a part of the labubu Happy Meal, but oh my god, where? What is this place? I think I'm back at square one. Let's go through all this for a burger? I have to go through all this for a burger, fries, and a Coke, and a toy. Labubu! Oh my god! Oh my god! Labubu! Labubu! I literally just want a dead. I literally just want the labubu burger. This is why you should never get a labubu monster. This is why you should never get a labubu burger at 3 a.m. guys. This is low-key horrifying. Oh, this just for a burger. This just for a burger. Chill. All this just for a labubu drink and fries. Guys, I really want the labubu burger. I have to go to the back of McDonald's because McDonald's literally closed. It's literally guys. It's literally a labubu.